In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make money online with Clickbank using digital marketing. Hey everybody, it's Z Cashflow, aka Zaira Almond, and be sure to subscribe and like this video to see more content like this. In today's video, I'm going to discuss step by step how you can start making money with digital marketing using Clickbank. And make sure you watch this video to the end so you can learn this process step by step and follow along with it. So let's go. Okay guys, so I'm on the Clickbank website and I just went to the affiliates page, and you can see that you can find quality products with high commissions and reliable payments. There are over 100,000 affiliates who've used the platform and who prefer this marketplace. They've paid over $5.5 billion in commissions, and they've been around for over 20 years here. So it's not hard to sign up for an account. You can sign up for free to access the products, and you can start earning high commissions, which is really nice. So they have some of the most high quality products in the market right now. There's training and education, so you can get training and education through Clickbank's Spark platform, which educates new and existing affiliates with online marketing. So if you're feeling stuck, you feel like you need a little help, then there's a lot of support and there's a lot of training and education to help you get started. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to make an account. It's pretty easy, and again, it's free. So yeah, if we wanted to sign up and make an account, we would just simply go to start here, and it's just gonna ask you a couple questions, so you can choose to skip this if you want. It's just asking the primary reason we're signing up. So we probably would want to choose this. Click OK. Sounds good. Do you have experience promoting offers as an affiliate? So yeah, if you're just getting started, you probably want to choose A, but if you have promoted offers in the past, then you can choose B. In this case, we're going to choose A since we've never started. So yeah, just answer these questions. It's pretty simple. Biggest factor motivating you to explore. In this case, it could be earning extra income, quitting your job. So yeah, you can choose that. Do you currently have traffic? Okay, so you might be wondering, do you need to have a lot of followers to do this or need a lot of traffic? You don't. If you did, then you would choose this. If you didn't, then we would choose this. So these are some of the different ways that you can generate traffic. If you don't know what traffic is, it's basically another word for traffic is just customers or an audience or a demographic of people who's seeing your content. So it's basically just, yeah, another word for customers, right? Or people who are interested in what you're offering. So yeah, you can see all the different platforms here, but let's say that we were doing it from YouTube in this example. How did we hear? Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead, finish this account, and I'll get back to you. Okay folks, so I didn't want to make the video too long, so I just went ahead and logged into my account that I already created, and I'm just going to show you the affiliate marketplace and show you all of the different products that you can promote. So let's go to the affiliate marketplace. Just going to click it. And you can see all of the top offers, the new offers. You can also browse from the categories here. So here's all of the different categories of products you can promote. There are a ton. So I'd highly advise you, when you get started with this, find a niche. Find something that you're really passionate about. And you can see just an example here of all of the different things that you can do. So again, I highly advise you to start with the niche. Find something you're really passionate about. What do you spend most of your time doing? Maybe it is cooking, right? Maybe cooking is something you're interested in, or maybe it's computers and internet, or maybe it's business. But find something that you really, really like to do on a daily basis. In this example, we might say health and fitness is kind of our niche, but you can see all of the different products here. So yeah, let's say health and fitness was our niche in this example. So I clicked it, and you can see all of even more examples here. So again, I highly advise you to pick a niche, find something you really like. You can see all the different categories in the health and fitness. So maybe you're interested in beauty products, maybe you're interested in dietary supplements, weight loss products, meditation products, but the list goes on here. So yeah, just find something you're really passionate about. Okay, so I'm gonna click on dietary supplements maybe, and it's gonna show us all of the products in the dietary supplement niche. So you can see when you're looking for products, you want to find products that have a gravity score that's higher than 20. So you can see that this one has a really high gravity score, which is one good sign that it's a good product. But there are some other factors to consider when finding good products. I won't go into too much detail here, but there are a lot of things to consider when finding good products. So you can see some of the benefits and some of the some of the things that the product has. Upsells, it's a physical product, one-time purchase. So it tells you the benefits and some of the things that the customer will receive with it, which is nice. So let's say we wanted to promote this product here. We can go to their affiliate page and check that out. We can also go to their sales page and kind of see what the product looks like. And I would advise you to do this as well. Take a look at the product and see kind of what it's about, so you can have a little bit of knowledge on what it is. And you'll feel more confident too when you do this, when you look at the product page and you study it and you kind of see what it has, what's the ingredients. If it's a physical product like this, for example, you might want to look at the ingredients to see what's in it, So just just try to acquire some knowledge about the product you're selling so you can feel more confident. So let's take a look at the page here. You can see all of the benefits here of the product. So yeah, again, I would highly advise you to study the product, get good at, or just get kind of knowledgeable about it and acquire some knowledge about it, so that when you promote it, you'll feel more confident. But yeah, these are all the ingredients in it. So yeah, just take a look at the sales page, get comfortable with it. Here's the affiliate page. Okay, so this is how much you can make. If you're doing ads, this is how much you can get per click. So yeah, it's pretty simple. They even provide email swipes here, so I'm not going to go into too much detail on email marketing in this video, but if you had an email list, you would use these emails you could use these email swipes to using your emails. Again, I'm not going to go into too much details on email marketing in this video, but you could use these emails if you had like a email list. So you may be wondering, how much can you actually make with Clickbank? And this will depend on the product you choose to promote and how much the commission is per sale. So when you go to the product and you look at the commission, you'll see how much the products pay per sale. So you may be wondering if Clickbank is good for beginners, and the answer to that is yes. There are no special requirements needed to start, and they even, like I mentioned earlier, they provide training and education, and they provide affiliate marketing courses to help you make sales. So if you're feeling stuck or confused, this is your first time doing it, they have plenty of education and courses to help you. So you may be also wondering if Clickbank requires you to have a website to start promoting, and no, you don't need a website to start promoting products. I'm going to show you an example later in this video of how you can do this on YouTube. This is a great way to promote any kind of affiliate product, but in this example, Clickbank, yes, this is a great way to promote Clickbank products. You can also do this with a blog. So I use a platform called Medium. I'll show you an example of that as well, and you can promote products using that blogging platform, so you do not have to make a website. So you also may be wondering, how do I find good products to sell on Clickbank? You'll want to find products that have a good gravity score. Anything higher than 20 is usually really good products, but there are a lot of other things to consider when finding a good product, so just keep that in mind. But you can also go to their sales page, like I mentioned earlier, to see if they have any upsells. Usually Clickbank will tell you if there's any upsells or any other things you can expect to get with the product, so just look out for some of that stuff. But if the gravity score is higher than 20, that's the first thing that I would look at, and again, see if there's any reoccurring upsells. And yeah, those are some of the things to look for. So you might be wondering, does Clickbank report to the IRS? So once you make more than $600 a year, or in a year from Clickbank, you'll receive a 1099 form to report your income. So yeah, that's the form that you would fill out to report your income for your taxes. So once you do make more than $600, then you will fill out a 1099. Okay guys, so I'm on YouTube, and I just want to show you kind of an example of how affiliate marketing works, or digital marketing works with YouTube, and how you can promote Clickbank products using YouTube. So I'll show you maybe an example of some channels that can kind of give you some ideas on what you can do. So let's say we're in the like weight loss niche, right? Let's say our niche is weight loss, right? So I'm going to type in weight loss up here, or how to lose weight. That's a good thing to type in, how to lose weight fast, right? And this is just going to give us some channels that we can use kind of as an example, because you can almost guarantee that most of the creators that do videos like these have some sort of, product that they're promoting to their audience. So I'm going to show you an example of some channels. Let's see. So let's just see if we can find maybe one channel that perhaps has has something here. Okay folks, so I pulled up a video of someone doing a review of that product that we just found on Clickbank. So this is a kind of a good way to create videos on YouTube when you're promoting affiliate products. So doing a review of a product is an awesome way to show how the product works. So this is an example here of a video that I just found, and you can see the person has affiliate links in their description. So this is kind of a good way to do affiliate marketing using YouTube. In this example, we mentioned the product that we found earlier. You can see in their description they have links taking you straight to that product. So that is one way that you can do this. So you see, if we click on the link, it's going to take us straight to the product page, and this is the same page that we just came from. So this is exactly how you do it, folks. This is how people are making, money on Clickbank. If you want to get those little links, you can go to a platform called Bitly, and it's going to shorten the links, so that way you're not just copying and pasting the direct links, because you don't want to put the direct affiliate links in the description. You kind of do want to shorten them. So this is a platform you can use to shorten affiliate links. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. That was a very basic step-by-step process on how to promote affiliate products with Clickbank using YouTube. If you want to see more videos like these, then again, be sure to like and subscribe. There's an awesome training that I took that has helped me learn more about affiliate marketing. So if you're interested in that, I'll leave a link to that in the description. If not, then you can leave me any comments you have below, and I'll answer them. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. Goodbye.